Yabza. I want to say I've introed this video about 7 times at this point. It's dark. There we go. Well, when you get a day like today, you definitely want to take advantage of it, especially since the fact that in a couple days here, I'm not going to be able to do anything. It does not get much better than this. And as I've said in a lot of the intros to almost all my videos, I always say it's always nice to get out and take advantage of the nice weather like this. A nice warm day, the sunshine, a nice cool breeze, and you can hear the stream behind me. And today's no different. However, like I said in the hook there, I'm going to be out of commission for a while. And I haven't really alleviated to this yet. There's been little hints here and there, and I've talked to a lot of my friends about this already, that in a couple days' time I'm going to be getting surgery. About a month and a half ago I went to the doctors and discovered that I have developed a hernia. It's something I noticed about a year ago, but never really got it looked at. I'm one of those stubborn people that hates going to the doctor. I hate going to the hospital, but I knew I needed to get it checked out and also do a kind of a health maintenance type checkup just to, address a couple of things that have been concerning me over the last couple of years. So that's going to be getting done on Tuesday morning. And one of the things they told me when I was at my checkup was that they changed the age of a colonoscopy from 50 to 45. Well, I turned 45 this year, and they just added it to my to-do list. So I'm getting that done on Monday. So yeah, it's going to be a fun-filled week for me this coming week. So with being out of commission for a while, it's actually a bit of a blessing in disguise because I do have quite a backlog of videos. I still have, I want to say maybe about 4 from my trip to Hawaii. One that is going to be kind of like a 3-parter. They're going to be 3 separate videos, but they're all going to encompass one place that I was at in Hawaii. You guys may or may not know, but I'll leave that kind of a bit of a secret. I have a preview video of that coming here soon, as well as my trip last weekend to Strasbourg. I went all 3 days, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday for the Memorial Day weekend. And that was Norfolk and Western 611s last weekend at Strasbourg. She's going back to Virginia, may already be there, may have already left, I'm not sure. But that was a great time. I took Mel on Saturday and met up I saw Nick there. We met up with, I think Randy was there the second day, and I went with Jay on the third day and had a great time. Had some great food at the Red Caboose Inn, which you guys will see. And it was just all in all a great time. And I think I have a couple others that I need to work on that I never got to. And so, yeah, perfect time to do it when I'm going to be laid up. So the first 2 weeks after my surgery are probably going to be, I can't lift any more than 20 pounds. I'm going to be, kind of meandering around. Like I said, I've never had surgery before, so I don't know how quickly I'm going to heal with this whole thing. But, I'd rather get this done sooner rather than later. I should have, got it taken care of right when I first noticed it, but, stubbornness. So as far as the rest of the summer goes, I'm going to be trying to get out to where I can. I know I want to get out to the Western Maryland Scenic Railway out in Cumberland, Maryland, as well as get up to Jim Thorpe and see Jamie up there, along with, I wouldn't mind meeting up with Alan and, Jake and Becky and all my friends. Get to see them over the summer and into the fall, and also use the scooter a heck of a lot more. And unfortunately, due to the amount of time I'm going to be out for my surgery, I have to use PTO for that for my job, so I won't have enough vacation time left to go to Pittsburgh this year with Jay. So I'm going to be foregoing that and maybe doing some little day trips here and there, maybe some overnight trips as well. And speaking of overnight trips, that's one video I forgot to mention that I have coming up, and that is the air show that I went to back in early May down at Langley Air Force Base in Virginia, my old stomping grounds. And actually that's where I got this hat from. which I'll go into detail about that in that video. That one's going to take me a long time to edit. I've been working on it for almost a month now, and I really want to get any specifics in that video right and just put a lot of effort into it. And I will be going to another air show here in September. I'll be going down to NAS Oceana. That's the Naval Air Station down in Virginia Beach. And there I'm going to get to see the Blue Angels. I haven't seen them in over 20 years, and it's going to be a great time. So I'll be going back down to Virginia in September. And yeah, outside of that, I'm just going to wing it and see what kind of videos I want to make. So anyway, guys, I appreciate your time and listening to me ramble on here on this beautiful day in Pennsylvania. I know I keep rubbing it in, but anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And like always, we'll see you soon.